challenging time if you're working from home as a result of everything that's going on in the world, and perhaps you've never worked at home before. So I wanted to give you 4 quick tips from somebody who's been working from home running a professional services business for the last 20 plus years. Tip number 1 is relax. This is a challenging time. We're all going through it together. We usually have our routine where we might get up first thing in the morning, maybe you exercise, have a coffee, have a shower, and go on your commute to work. Now we need to find a new normal, but routine and habits are necessary. They help you feel in control whilst everything around us is feeling, a little bit crazy and out of control. You need to find a new normal. So if you normally exercise in the morning, try exercising in the morning before you get started. You'll find it invigorates you and makes you feel a bit more relaxed and ready to go with the day. So relax, establish a new routine, and know you've got this and we've got this. Everything will be okay. We'll get through this. Tip number 2 is inspiration. There's a lot of negativity going on in the world, so I recommend you switch off news feeds. Don't go to Facebook, or limit the amount of time that you're exposed to these sorts of things just to keep yourself up to date. When you're working, try and make it as fun and vibrant as you can without going over the top, of course. So you might want to look at things like a playlist that makes you feel excited and motivated, or chilled and creative. It's also a great time if you are into meditation. Make sure you regularly take some little breaks to do some meditations, calm and center your mind before you need to focus on something. If you've not tried meditation before, check out apps like Calm or Insightly, 2 great apps, and I would certainly recommend the meditation to help clear some of that negativity in your head. If you do like to get out and exercise, depending on what's happening in your part of the world, it might be a great idea to go out and go for a walk at lunchtime. Reinvigorate yourself, ready for the rest of the afternoon. Alternatively, if you've got a pet, maybe you want to get out the back. If it's a dog, throw the ball in the backyard and play a bit of fetch, or maybe you go fetch. We need to do 1 or 2 of these things per day. We need to ground ourselves, and we need to find what's going to be a new business as usual for us in this uncertain time. Number 3 is connection. Now, this has been talked about a lot lately. We need to escalate connection. We need to escalate connection with our clients, with our family, our friends, and our colleagues. And I don't mean more emails. I mean real calls, whether it be something like a video message, a call through FaceTime or WhatsApp, where people can actually see you. Or if you want to, at least go old school, pick up the phone and talk to people. People are getting so creative about connection and collaboration. So you want to make sure that you are connecting in regularly with your team members and colleagues. It's really, really important that we stay connected. It helps fill us up, but it also helps us fill others up as well. And my final tip for working from home is engagement. Working from home can be really, really lonely, particularly when we can't go out and have meetings or connect with people. So now's the time to leverage things like FaceTime for one-on-one meetings, Skype, or programs like Zoom, or in your organization you might be using the Microsoft suite of products and Microsoft Teams. Need to connect in on a regular basis and use platforms like this for regular meetings or check-ins. So you might want to consider implementing a huddle or an early morning check-in just to make sure that you're all connected and you stay connected. So it's a great way to check in at the start of the day and to close off at the end of the day. A bit like you might create your own to-do list of what you're going to do the next day. Make sure, however, with all the stuff going around, that if you are doing video meetings and you need to maybe go to the bathroom, switch your video off. Or if you have a longer video meeting, maybe consider having a bathroom break where 5 or 10 minutes close to the hour, you give people time to stretch, refill their water bottle, duck to the bathroom, do anything that they want to do. So they're my 4 tips to help you make working from home easier for you and everybody in your organisation.